why most ama-fans Orlando Pirates engamthanda uMiguel Team? Because lento lesengiyinayisisile. uMiguel Team is one of the best midfielders ekhona esikimini Orlando Pirates. He is a proper traditional midfielder. And asiyona ile midfielder le creative. Uteam ayekho creative. Uteam uyi-defensive midfielder. Uma sikuma i-defensive midfielder ulomjida lo oshilda ama-defender. Yabo uletha leyo defensive mindset ku esenda yethu. So angazi indaba most of our fans abamthanda uMiguel Team. uMiguel Team methola ibhola ushaya ama big pass. Midfielder defensive minded uzoshaya i-big pass. Uma ufuna ukuthatha ibhola ulinikeza ama-opponents noma uliqumuze i-team ngeke iziye indawo lapho. Uma ubona wena cela ungitshela i-defender li-1 i-defender umdlalo defensive minded oyi-1 oshaya ama-pass creative. Ngitshele umdlalo o-defensive minded oyi-1 oshaya ama-creative passes besifaka uNdlondlo sifaka uMakhehleni Makhaola bebeshaya ama-pass aba-predictable. Umbuka igame ye-Disciples uye kwi-page le-Disciples ubuka uNdlondlo benoMakhehleni Makhaola i-match ababeyidlala ama-pass ababewenza i-team yayiwabona ama-pass abo ukuthi ayi-predictive because bebeshaya ama-pass aphambili between them bobawu-2 uMakhehleni Makhaola defensive minded kodwa ama-pass awashayayo bayashesha ukuwabamba but uTeam because yabo defensive minded uzophasela uNda the time ephasela uNda uzophuma ispace umdlalo uzoya kuNda mase phasela aphasele yena uTeam mase lihamba ngeside ibhola. Uma wabuka igoli elishayiwe Orlando Pirates idlala ne-Disciples uTeam wathola ibhola e-center waliphasela uKim Vwitt wanqasha ngeside uKim Vwitt ibhola labuya lelakusaling waseshaya inqaku mfelo mjida lo Kim Vwitt. So angazi bethu lo mjida uyakwazi ukumaka mesinaye center siyathi sine midfield right ngosikhathi sidlala ne-Sundowns le Pitori last season. uTeam wathola i-red card and kwakunilili score wathola i-red card uTeam wathephuma nje uTeam ethola i-red card uAlende wakora kahle ngomthetho wempocketile uAlende and ama-fans amaningi angazi why nithi uTeam kumele ashaya ama-pass aphambili. Ayithi mesha ama-pass aphambili nizomgxeka ukuthi ulahle ibhola u-defensive minded udinga ukudlala ne-midfielder e-creative yabo ngesimdlalisi yabo mengimbekazi anchor phambi kwakhe kumele kube khona uMbatha noma uMbatha benoMaswangayi noma kube uMbatha benoDlamini yabo phambi kwakhe abadlali abanelo creative mindset mase kubuyena oletha azoshield i-defense azoshilda uSesane benoNda because abadlali bebehambe bonke uTeam uyabuya emuva abo i-defender lesithathu yabo because thina sidlala ngama-wing back sidlala ngoHotho phinde sidlale nangoSesane. So lento leyo ukuthi uTeam uyabheda futhi yekeni ngempela because nini ibhola nilibukela ukuthi mhlambe niyabheja yabo menibheja uTeam lokeshaya amabhola emuva kanti ibhola kumele ulibuke ngokuli-analyze ibhola uthi okay lento ayenza uTeam uyayicontrol igame mengenile uTeam uyayicontrol igame ayehlise arelaxise wayi-understand igame lomjida lomfethu kwazi wafika nomjida lo i-legend le-Man City lifile eSouth Africa lathi uyena umdlali wase-Africa eseladlala naye uNtswembu uMiguel Team yabo angifuna ulewe ngimpraise kakhulu but uTeam mfethu for me uTeam yangenzela lapha e-center mfethu.